guys, checking out another property on Staten Island.
Floors and moldings.
All these windows were in here too?
All these windows are actually were here. They're not original, but they were here. We didn't change them. The only ones we changed was that one over there.
There's a lot of lights in here.
Yeah, it's a lot of natural light.
So you changed these floors?
Yeah, these are engineered hardwood floors. They have like a gray stain on them. They were pre-finished.
So, I guess walk me through, you couldn't keep, did they have hardwood?
Yeah, there were some hardwoods here, but it wasn't carried throughout. So to try to match them and lay them and have them all link up and then stain them the right color, it wouldn't have looked right. So they just paid for us to do it both on this floor and on the second level. So
Oh, the same.
So it's the same floor throughout. Yeah, and you can see it rolls in right through the kitchen.
That's what I said right away. Right? The veins, like the office.
So how was the kitchen?
We didn't really have the option of opening up. We didn't want to take down, which the chimney's behind this wall here. We didn't want to take down the chimney just because it would have been a costly upgrade for us to do throughout. We had to run through the roof line. So we decided to leave it, and that kind of sacrificed maybe the openness of this going out. But with that, you still have this galley style kitchen that's got two ways in, both there and here. And then we extended it back out this way to have a spot here and then ideally, that would be the case, but in this situation, it was already an existing plan, and it had to be submitted through the DOB in that manner. Otherwise, timeline would have been drastically affected. So we just went that route and kept it as is.
Oh, this is nice. This floors. So this is the half bath?
Yeah, this is the half bath here.
Ooh, look at the tiles!
Yes, sir.
Double garage it's a nice feature.
It's like a house. Oh, this thing is massive.
Okay. Sometimes.
Oh, we're good.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm good. We're good.
So there was a stand here to have access up there. It's not up to code, so we had to remove it. But someone does have the option later on to create some type of storage space up there. And if not,
Wow.
It's gonna be listed in the upcoming week. Maybe 2 to 3 months of renovation.
Yeah. Quick.
Yeah.
You tried it first.
Big enough. Nice.
Yeah, nice size too.
I just made it came out great here.
Oh, wow. Look at the
Yeah.
floors.
Yeah, look at yeah.
You probably fit another 5 people in there if we really needed
No.
to.
Yeah, these are large format tiles.
So
I think these came out great.
Yeah, this is
came
nice.
out great.
Yeah.
It ain't cheap to do this on
No, this
around
is
here,
some
right?
nice stuff.
That's in the floor. Back in.
These are a little bit small, similar look though.
Are these easier to put in?
They are. They're a little bit easier to install. We had mud jobs done on both floors just to make it perfectly level, and with the mud jobs, it just makes the installation process a lot easier for the guys. Yeah.
Is that like mud jobs, like when you put the little pins in between?
No, the mud jobs, it's just like a concrete process that's put down just to get a base level, maybe 2 inches or so thick, to have it dead level over there. So that when you put down the porcelain tile or your finished tile, everything is level throughout.
Gotcha. Okay.
It's a big space. A nice closet too.
A third bedroom. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Probably gonna have a kids room here.
Get a nice little bonus space, Ryan. Just let me know about it. Where we headed?
This is it right here.
Okay.
Right?
Oh, a little bonus space?
That's a nice touch.
See what your neighbors are doing.
You want to be a creep? No, this is.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed seeing another project we got going on with Freedom, and until the next one,
All right, guys.
we're out.
Later.